Hi, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. This video is going to be very interesting and useful for you all. We are diving into an amazing tool that's perfect for anyone who has a frustrating tech movement. It's Repairit by Wondershare. Whenever you have accidentally corrupted a video, lost an important image, or have a file that won't open, Repairit is here to save the day. This software is designed to help you repair damaged or corrupted files in just few simple steps without needing to be a tech expert. We will take a close look at how it works, its features, and why it's one of the most used software for corrupted files. So if you ever face data loss, make sure you stick around and check how Repairit can help you to recover your important files. Let's start today's video and see how it works. First of all, you have to download it and install it in your PC, which is very easy. The link to the software is available in the description. Once you have completed your downloading and installation process, this type of interface will appear in front of you. The first option is video repair. It supports all the mainstream cameras such as Sony, Canon, Nikon, Panasonic and Fuji. Repair corrupted videos in popular formats including MP4, MOV, AVI and MKV. And it repairs video corrupted by device failure, storage issues, transfer error or other issues. When you click more type repair, there are many options available: photo repair, file repair, audio repair. There are further two options given: AI video enhancer and AI photo enhancer. Let's see the working of video repair. I am having a video in my PC which is not playable due to some reason. I'm going to play this video in front of you. As you can see, it is not playable due to some reason. And the reason is we can't open racing at its best because the file is unsupported. The file extension is incorrect or the file is corrupt. Now I'm going to repair this file in front of you. All you need to do is click on Start, import your corrupted video. Once you import your video, advanced repair mode is also available here. You can switch on and off. Then you have to click on repair. Here on this step you have to wait for a couple of minutes depending on the length of your video. This software is very useful and can be used for various purposes to recover your different type of files, including images, videos and various corrupted files. Once the process is completed, your corrupted files is ready to play. Let's play the video which was not playable due to some reason. You can save this video anywhere you want. Let's play it.
Engel is on his toes on the outside line there. Christopher Meeks in the green and black Audi fends him off, but Engel keeps on coming round the outside. Ladies, he can't get round the outside. He'll have the inside for turn 2 into the hell. He doesn't go round the outside at this part, but it's the inside for the Hugenholtz corner, and Engel goes deep and makes.
As you can see, this video is now playable, and it's possible just because of this wonderful software, Repairit by Wondershare. Now I'm going to share a very useful feature with you. It's professional mode. By switching on the professional mode, you can repair raw files, long files, HDR files from professional cameras such as Blackmagic Design, Red Digital and ARRI. You can repair RSV, DAT and MT files cause camera power failure to playable videos. Now I'm going to talk about its working. I am having a raw file in my computer which is not playable due to some reason. Now I'm going to repair it by using Repairit by Wondershare. You need to add your raw file here. It will be added in few seconds. As you can see, its size is 622 MB and it's 4K raw. When you will click on repair, it will ask for a sample video which is taken from the same device or parameter as broken video. You need to add the sample video. Once your sample video is checked and approved, click on repair. As you can see, it has started working. Your video is repaired and ready to play. You can save it by selecting the desired location. As we move into more repair options, there are options available: photo repair, file repair, audio repair, AI video enhancer, AI photo enhancer. I am going to show you the working of photo repair. I am having a corrupted photo in my PC, which is not visible due to some reason. Now I'm going to repair this corrupted image by Repairit by Wondershare, which is very easy. You just need to import your corrupted photo. Once you have imported your corrupted photo, just click on repair. This amazing software Repairit by Wondershare will repair your image within few seconds. As you can see, your corrupted photo is now repaired and ready to see. Let's open our corrupted photo, which is now repaired by Repairit by Wondershare. As you all can see, the photo is repaired and visible. I hope you enjoyed today's video. For these type of further tech videos, subscribe my channel TechView. Thank you.